The work that we do with Operation Smile is we are primarily a healthcare delivery organization, nonprofit, non-governmental, and we deliver cleft surgical care and intervention across the globe.
Estamos dedicados a recuperación integral de los pacientes con este tipo de circunstancia médica quirúrgica. Y siempre hemos dicho que con esta cirugía nosotros no operamos a los niños, sino operamos la familia.
Technology has allowed us to reach many patients who live in rural areas and gets us closer to patients so that we can have all the expertise of specialists who are far away. We have been facing many challenges regarding data. It takes us a lot of time to fill out forms that we have created, and lots of information is lost. The Quality Key Performance Indicator app will allow us to have a better way of reporting our data. This technology will use the pictures of our patients and identify specific cleft conditions so that we can have that data in real time.
Thanks to the Microsoft partnership, we can now capture data in a digital format, becomes automatic dashboards that we then have AI run through to identify any trends or gaps, and it saves time.
Operación Sonrisa nos brinda la oportunidad de ayudar a los demás, de verdad impactar familias, impactar la vida de los demás, poder permitir que estos niños tengan un desarrollo normal es algo increíble.
Mi hija ingresó desde los 40 días de nacida. Ya son 9 años transcurridos en la Fundación Operación Sonrisa. Me siento muy feliz porque gracias a ese apoyo mi hija contó con esa suerte para poder reconstruir su sonrisa y para que siga sonriendo.